Okay, here's another tips and tricks on how you can work in mechanical ducting, okay, with the perfect system. So this one will be my documentation view. Okay, so if you check here, all here, so most of the ducts are tags here, because you can see. Okay, and what you notice is that, what you can notice in drawing here in the floor plan, is that I have the color blue from return and then supply. So this one will indicate that all this color blue has a 300 cmh per airflow image. Okay, so that's how also another trick to check the airflow, especially if you're using the perfect system. So as you can see here, the green color will be all 600. No need to tag, no. Sometimes if you go back here, so that's my another process on how to verify and check the airflow of each air terminal. Okay, so let's say this one is not 450. So let's check here. The pink color. Where's that? Okay, here. You have the pink color here is 450 typical. So meaning all the corridors here, and including here, that is 450. So maybe you missed something. Maybe this one is not 450. Let's say 400. Then you know already that this one is wrong, right? You have a, so that's why. So that's the another tips and tricks on how to check all your airflow terminals. Okay, in each air terminal, this one. So this one will be 700 color like that. Okay, so this is my documentation view, and if you want to know how to set up this one, it's just easy. You add just a filter and you add all the colors here, and then you assign a color. That's it. Because imagine if you have like this only, then how can you track all the airflow difference from each room and then corridor? If I just type here, let's say I want to select this one and then this one, and then I will just type here in the comments typical to, let's say, how many, 8, like that. It's hard also to count now with the same color with supply. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and then you have another, this one, this color here. So it's important to, before to submit, you have the correct airflow in each air terminal. So if I go back to that area here, so as you can see here, you have typical number of 600, the color green, and then you have 660 for the return, and then this one is 450. So it's easier to check. Okay, and if you notice also, the duct size has no indication of this is a supply or return. By the color, it's ready, this is return and this is a supply. Okay, but in my work in progress, a working drawing, I have to place here all the information, this CMH converted to LPS, because I'm going to size it here. Okay, it's easier to size that, and then resize this ducts from the branches to the main. Okay, so that's the process on how to create a perfect system and a perfect airflow from air terminals, going ducts, and then going to the branches of the duct. That's how you create. Okay. So another thing for that one, if you add to automate also the duct sizing for this one, you can use dynamo here and dynamo player. So that's another process also to integrate so that you will have a much efficient working flow in Revit. Okay. So that's it for now for the short tutorial on how to check and create a color for all the air terminals so that you can check it and verify the correct airflow. Okay. So that's it. Thank you.